Okay, hi. So the VALESOR tool is available to you online, but for this tool you don't need to log in or create a user account. That of course has a consequence that it's a bit difficult to come back to your previous analysis. We have solved this so it actually isn't that difficult by using the JSON file system. Personally, I have no idea what JSON stands for. I just know that it works, and I will show you how it works, and it works really easy. First, you make sure that you have done your scenario set, spatial level, input data, and output. Everything is set and done. You have the analysis as you want it. Then, to make sure, click Save Project, wait for the green button or green square to occur here, and then you go to this function Export JSON. You click on Export JSON. It downloads a file for you. Let's go for this one here. And now it's downloaded. Perfect. And you can basically just turn off your computer and do something else. So let's go to some other web page. Anyway, we will shut down here. So the web browser drops its memory, and whatever we look at right now is beautiful. Right, day 2 comes, we open up our web browser again. We go back to the VALESOR tool. We log into the model. We choose the air model since we are now here at the air functionality. Air. Then I have forgotten to reset the project. So I will just reset the project here. I delete everything for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, data deleted. Now, you can see here that there's no information in the spatial level, input data or output. You can also see the orange bar here informing you that you have to finish step 1 before you can move to step 2. Okay, so everything is empty. Now, instead of redoing all, what I have to do is I click on Select JSON File. I go to the file, which is automatically named project, but you can name it to whatever name you want. Click on it, open, and all of a sudden, everything is nice and dandy. You can also see that the Select JSON has moved to Change File, because even though it's not visible in the opening screen here, this change file and this project JSON informs you that it is there. So you can move to the spatial level. You can see that we have selected Belgium and Spain. You can go to input data and see that we have annual population weighted mean concentration of PM2.5 for the baseline 2015, 2020, 30, and the alternative 2030. And you can look at the output again. But of course, it's to be on the safe side, click on the complete function to force the module to do the calculations again. And now you can see the damage per health outcome again. Now, if we do a slight change here, I would prefer to change, let's change the concentration here for Belgium. And notice that everything is good. Look for output, save project, and then you export a new JSON file. In this case, project 1. So that's how easy it is to work with your project for continuous sessions. Thank you very much.